Have you ever noticed how a simple, natural ingredient can bring a tired plant back to life? Sometimes the secret isn't a chemical fertilizer, it's the right homemade plant booster. Today I'll show you an easy recipe using turmeric, cinnamon, and one surprising kitchen ingredient that can naturally support healthier plant growth. Stay until the end. First, pour 1 liter of clean water into a container. Now add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric helps support healthier soil, encourages stronger root development, and creates a cleaner environment around the roots. Stir well until it dissolves. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon helps discourage harmful fungi and supports healthier roots. Together with turmeric, these two ingredients create a powerful natural combination for stronger plant growth. Mix well. Now it's time for the secret ingredient. Add 2 tablespoons of raw rice. Raw rice contains starch, and as it gradually breaks down in the soil, it provides organic matter that can support beneficial soil microorganisms. Healthy soil microbes help improve nutrient availability and create a better environment for strong roots and greener plants. Stir everything thoroughly. Pour the mixture directly around the base of your plants, allowing it to soak into the root zone. Use this natural plant booster once every 2 weeks for the best results. Remember, healthy plants don't always need more fertilizer. They often just need the right natural support. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.